The last phase of the ongoing Lok Sabha election 2024 will be concluded on June 1 and results will be announced on June 4. Now, during election seasons, opinion polls and exit polls are the key indicators of voter preferences that help in gauging the potential outcome. So, what's the difference between opinion poll and an exit poll? Well, the core difference between the two methods of poll result prediction is that opinion polls are conducted before voters cast their votes, and the exercise of exit polls takes place right after a citizen casts his vote. Opinion polls aim to measure voter intentions and preferences by asking a sample of the electorate whom they plan to vote for. These surveys help sense the public mood and provide an early indication of possible election results. The exit polls, on the other hand, are conducted on the day of polling immediately after voters leave the polling stations. These polls ask voters whom they actually voted for, offering a real-time snapshot of the election outcome. In total, while opinion polls predict potential voter behavior, exit polls reflect actual voting patterns. So, what's the role of these surveys? Well, opinion polls play a crucial role in shaping campaign strategies and public perception before the election. They offer insights into voter trends and key issues that may influence the election outcome. On the other hand, exit polls released after the final phase of voting provide an early indication of the election results before the official count commences. But how accurate are these surveys? Well, if we talk about accuracy, then you must know that in 2009, an average of 4 exit polls predicted that UPA would win 195 seats and NDA would win 185 seats. But final results showed that UPA got 262 seats. In 2014, an average of 8 exit polls predicted that NDA would win 283 seats, whereas UPA would win 105 seats. However, final results were quite different as NDA won 336 seats, whereas UPA won 60 seats only. In 2019, the exit polls on average predicted NDA's tally at 306 and UPA's at 120. However, the prediction was underwhelming when the actual results came as the NDA won 352 seats with the BJP at 303. The then UPA got 93 seats with the Congress at 52. So the accuracy is often debated upon. But what are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.